Ivany, which of Rosal, you are come to about say you're not clean shit a foreign, and if you give up at the work permit, you're not clean shit. Me not understand how all of the people me clean shit give you, all of the nurse them with clean shit give you. Shame on them, yeah. Cause all of the gift that them give you, we a nurse and clean shit, shame of them. I say shame, I kill them dirty blood clot the way you say me love. I chew them can do blood clot better. And them want mix up, that's how them over there give you. Ivany, you talk about you no clean shit, but Ivany clean shit every night. Come remember man shit in your pussy. Remember your pussy full of blood clot shit. And remember me not have no toilet paper. And me not have no plunger. So me go use some acid and burn out your hole. Remember man shit in your pussy every night and you have to clean it. So when you come talk about you not clean shit in a front, girl, you clean shit out your hole every night. Remember say you clean your baby shit. Remember you clean dog shit. What the fuck? Me tell you something. All of the people may clean shit are foreign. Big up on yourself. And what if a girl clean shit are foreign? And when they come out a party, them look better than you. All of the girl them we are clean shit, we give you, remember say I feed them money, live off a stinking Ivany. You know say it's a witch. You know say it's a devil. You know say Satan walk back behind you idiot girl. You know say you are one dirty evil blood clot girl. But you not clean shit in a blood clot. For remove the blood clot and go. A whole heap of people have big work. And people who are clean shit and get more pay than them. Move your dirty blood clot and go somewhere with clean shit. When me there Jamaica, me walk and sell. Me used to take from my anti-blood clot father-in-law. And me clean the man that shit. Me not have a problem, me love. Me not have a problem stinking Ivany. Amount of your family good have clean shit. Amount of your brother and sister they good have blood clot clean shit. Something wrong with fan cleaning shit. Something wrong with you clean blood clot shit. Make sure say when you blood clot get in a age, somebody not clean your blood clot shit. And nobody not go clean shit, you know. You go shit up yourself and clean yourself. Move your dirty blood clot and go. You come talk about say, oh you not clean shit. Remember man shit in your hole because your hole is a toilet bowl. Remember man poop in your hole because it's a toilet bowl. So for your pussy full of doo-doo, move your dirty nano batty blood clot, nano old blood clot. Move your shit up toilet bowl, old blood clot. Go from after today name shit in a